Four stock alts out of a '09 Chevy Silverado. I got two base 15Ks on 190 amp hour C-Max lithium, 8 Tro Pros, the 600 watt version. They're wired at 2 ohms. So I'm running probably 5K to 4 of them to each. Okay. And then just 24 pile X gear, 6.5, and then 8 pile tweeters.
Hell yeah, bro.
Does a 159.7 at 59 hertz with the driver's door open in the kick.
Wow.
And sealed up at 39 hertz. It does a 158.
Hell yeah, bro.
You got to shut the door.
Let's shut the door, baby.
Up the door pod. There you go. One of us.
Imitated but never duplicated DJ Rusticals.
Yeah. Barely open.
Oh yeah, brother. Thank you.
It ain't bad for what it is.
It's definitely nice and windy.